Meaning of fish cake.
Fish cake.
Fish cake.
Fish cake.
Fish cake. Fish cake is a type of food made from minced fish and starch. It is a popular ingredient in many Asian cuisines, including Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. The mixture of fish and starch is usually shaped into flattened circles or ovals and then cooked by either steaming, boiling, or frying. The resulting cakes have a firm texture and a slightly sweet taste. Fish cakes can be consumed on their own, as a snack, or as an ingredient in soups, stews or other dishes. They are a versatile and tasty addition to any cuisine.